Yesterday we had 24 to 27 mile an hour winds with gusts up to 39 miles an hour. When you have wind like that, this is what happens to the fence. Now we got to repair a fence.
Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
This is where I live. The Harley's mine, a little 4x4. I use that for my night shift here at the campground. All right, let's just swing right around here. We'll take a look. Yesterday the wind blew. At one point I saw 26 mile an hour winds with 39 mile an hour gusts. And if you look right through there, there's no fence. And we'll go take a look and see what we need to do to fix that. We need to redo all of this fence, but that'll be someday in the future. Where did all these wood go to? Look at there, there's two sections that's down. This section is down, and that section is down. Well, it went in the ditch over here. I'll come back with a tractor, pick up all that junk so we can throw it away. Right now I got to measure between this post and this post and that post. I've got to completely rebuild this section of fence, put in almost all new pickets. Most of those I cannot use, but I've got to get new 2x4s for up here, one there, one down there, and another one down there, another one up here. Then I'm going to take and box in all three posts, that one, this one, and that one. Box it in with 2x4s and 1x6s, so we have something to nail the pickets onto and get the pieces work together. So for right now, I'm going to measure between there and there, and there and there. I'm going to set you guys back down here. Hopefully you'll be able to see what's going on. I think you can. All right. There's 9 feet, 9 feet 8. So two 10-foot 2x4s in here will be good enough for that. This is 11 foot. This is 11 foot and a half. 11 foot, 11 inches and a half. So two 12-footers. So Kelly's going to have to buy two 12-foot 2x4s, one for up here, one for down there. Two 10-foot ones, one for there and one for there. Okay, it's only been a couple hours, and I've got this all fixed up. I did have some help from Kelly. That's the owner here. So we got it all tied in. That was original from here. Got all this done. And got it all done up to there. That's where we tied into the existing fence. And up there is our new fence. You've already seen videos of that. Well, it doesn't take us very long to build fence. See you next time.